So the FlowBoost Labelizer script essentially allows you to have different labels based on the index or performance of your products. And as we know with things like PMAX or even sometimes in shopping, we wish we had an additional lever that we could pull. And so this gives us that additional lever where based on performance, those items that are performing well compared to those that aren't performing well, or even those that aren't getting any visibility, those will now all get assigned custom labels. And with your campaigns, those can essentially be moved across campaigns dynamically rather than you going in and having to move products based on their performance. This script will assign indexes, and based on that performance, they will flow through your different campaigns as long as you have that custom label attached. So this is a super exciting tool that I think everyone should give a try. I was going to start.
I'll tell you what, Osama, I'll wear a beanie and the wig. How's that sound?
I like it. You'll have like the long hair flowing out of the beanie and you'll have like the hair on top like this.
And that, everyone, is the introduction to our inaugural